Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have an unexpected package. It is February 15th, 2024, and this package just arrived at the house and my boyfriend told me to do an unboxing video. So here we go. It came from Amazon. He had opened it because he had multiple boxes coming, so he had opened it to see which one he wanted to give me. Let's get started. I don't know if you can see that. Professional DSL and video camera starter kit. Looks like a cleaning kit and a SD card holder. Digital filter kit. I honestly have no clue to what this is. Battery charger. Looks like a car charger. This has a lot of stuff in it. SD card. I have no clue. Looks like a battery. Some type of tripod. As you can tell, I have never had a professional camera before because half of these things, I don't even know what they are. This looks like a carrying case for the camera. And then, last but not least, this is the camera. Got the warranty. So this is, does it tell me what? I honestly don't know what type of camera it is, but I will link it in the description. Make sure you can still see. Here is the camera. Is it a ZE E10 4K? It's a Sony camera. Let's see if it comes on. Did not come on. Needs a battery. I honestly would have No clue. What to do filming with this. I think this opens. Yep. But he's starting his YouTube channel as well, so we will be sharing this camera. And luckily I did not have to buy one on my own. There's a charging cable. Oh, battery. This is another battery. Nope, adapter. And let's see. Oh, the little thing to help with the wind so you won't hear it as much. I think that goes right here, looks like. Don't ask me. Nope, I lied. Oh, nope, it does go right here. That's cool. Okay, at least I figured out something. But I look forward to be filming with this camera soon. It's nice, I like the white. Let me see if I put it. You definitely have to charge the batteries. I just tried to put a battery in, but I have to charge it. Well, that's all for my unboxing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.